Hey everyone, it's Ramakrishna and welcome back to Holistic Health Haven. Today, we're talking about a fruit that's as versatile as it is beneficial, the mighty lemon. Fresh, bright lemons with just a few slices can really brighten your day. And when we turn them into a refreshing glass of lemon water, well, that's where the magic really happens. From boosting your immune system to making your skin healthier, lemons are packed with nutrients that can truly make a difference in your overall health. Stick around and let's explore the power of lemons together. First and foremost, let's talk about immunity. Lemons are loaded with vitamin C, a key vitamin that plays a crucial role in supporting a healthy, robust immune system. Drinking lemon water regularly or incorporating lemons into your meals can give your immune system that extra boost it needs to fight off infections. Remember, a healthy immune system is a happy immune system, and lemons can help you achieve just that. Ever feel that post-meal sluggishness? Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water can do wonders for your digestive system. It helps to stimulate digestion, kickstart your metabolism, and can even provide relief from common digestive discomforts like bloating and indigestion. Lemon juice enhances the production of bile, essential for breaking down fats and ensuring proper digestion. We all know that staying hydrated is crucial for our overall health, and lemons can be your secret weapon for staying properly hydrated throughout the day. Adding a squeeze of lemon not only makes water taste more refreshing, but also encourages you to drink more. Proper hydration helps to flush out toxins, keeps your skin looking radiant, and supports every system in your body. Want that healthy, radiant glow? Lemons are your skin's new best friend. They're bursting with antioxidants that help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. This means a brighter complexion, faded blemishes, and a more youthful appearance. Plus, the vitamin C in lemons plays a vital role in collagen production, keeping our skin firm and elastic. Now, you might be thinking, wait a minute, lemons taste sour, so aren't they acidic? And you're right, lemons do have a naturally acidic taste. But once they're metabolized by your body, they actually have an alkalizing effect, balancing your body's pH levels. Lemons help to neutralize acidity, promoting a more balanced pH level, which translates to a healthier internal environment. How can you incorporate more lemons into your daily routine? Start your day with a warm glass of lemon water. It's a refreshing way to kickstart your metabolism. Squeeze some fresh lemon juice over your salads instead of using heavy store-bought dressings. Add a lemon wedge to your water bottle for a burst of flavor and added hydration. With so many health benefits packed into this simple fruit, lemons are a fantastic addition to your wellness routine. Whether you're looking to boost immunity, support digestion, or achieve glowing skin, lemons have something to offer. Incorporating lemons into your daily life is a simple yet powerful step you can take towards a healthier, more vibrant you. So there you have it, the mighty lemon, a true health hero disguised as a humble fruit. What are your favorite ways to enjoy lemons? Let me know in the comments below. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Holistic Health Haven for more natural health remedies and wellness inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.